Namaste. So open the Hulk file to the national section. We will be discussing all of the current affairs that I've already sent to you, and I've already highlighted the most important bits, the underlined bits. They are the most important portions that can be asked from the point of view of current affairs in both the CUET PG and the NLSAT. Now there is an NLSAT only section as well as in these notes. So those pop culture current affairs can only pop up in NLSAT. So if you are a CUET PG exclusive student, I'm just trying to find out where is that section. Yeah. So this section, if you are only going to be taking the very standard 3-year law entrances, that is CUET, PG, MHCT, etc., you can skip this section. But NLSAT people will have to read this as well and the entire file. So ye mat karna that I will be only taking the NLSAT, so I won't be reading the entire, other notes. All right. So now I will be discussing what all can they be, or rather what all can they ask from these portions that we have well given to you. Now let us start out. So the 3 new Indian criminal laws. So in bare acts का नाम आपकी tips पे होना चाहिए. So what has replaced what basically? So the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, that is the new IPC, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, that is the new CRPC, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, that is the new Evidence Act. And they have all come into force on the 1st of July 2024. This is an important date for the point of view of law entrances next year. Even in NLSAT, for example, they give you a passage, a one-liner question can pop up, and details of what are the new names can pop up. So therefore this is important. All right. Now a new species of turmeric and a new kind of bat. So turmeric was found in Manipur and bat in Karnataka. Now the NTA loves to ask such questions. I won't go into further details of this MCQ because we are not going to be attempting the UPSC. However, now when you read these news items, like for example, these are among the 640 new one species added to the Indian fauna in 23, including 442 entirely new species. कुछ भी नहीं करना, in the sense कुछ भी याद नहीं करना. This portion has been sent to you so that there is context to the overall news item in question. All right. So you need not ratify these very details. यहाँ पे turmeric and bat आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं. If they go on an advanced stage MCQ, they can ask about the states. That's about it. Now we move on about the National Testing Agency, that's the NTA. Now NEET UG was in remarkable news this year, all right. So NEET National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test केवल इस साल के लिए, just keep it in mind that क्योंकि NEET was so much in news, right? वहाँ पे रख दो, यहाँ पे रख दो. NEET was so much in news that the full form can be asked, and लगता है कि we must be knowing NEET का full form, but may just not know. So National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test conducted by the NTA, that is the National Testing Agency, and NTA was itself set up in 2017 and falls under the aegis of the Union Education Ministry. All right. So these are the 3 MCQs that can pop up from this news item. Now we go here, and यहाँ पे just you can just give it a read through. No markings as such, no specific marking. Can ignore this and then move on. Actually काफी time ये भी होता है कि this all depends on which all exam are you going to be taking place, or rather taking or attempting, and then the thing really becomes is as to, so earlier law entrances used to be quite rigorous. Now CUET PG का general paper has diluted things quite a bit. तो उसके अंदर they ask very general sort of current affairs. So we have to be prepared for both the scenarios, because other entrances such as the MHCT or the PU really likes to then dive into deep details. So I've tried to cover out everything. So this lecture will only cover out the national section. All right. Now in the successive lectures, we are going to be covering out international important days, like the sections like I've bifurcated and sent to you. So we'll discuss all those current affairs out, and then question practice is also there, including in the mocks also, because the current affairs are updated there as well. Now India has achieved a significant milestone, so that is SEBEX 2. This is This is another variant of TNT that we have developed. I'm giving you homework. What is the full form of TNT? Static GK के notes में ज़रूर होना चाहिए. Alright. Cool. Now, if you were taking the AI LT, this most likely would have showed up, but still, NLSAT also is fond of such stuff. The Indian rival to Twitter, now known as X, is shut down. The app ka naam was Koo, and that's just about it. That's just the current affair. That's just the question that they can ask you. Now, another MCQ that will not pop up in CUET-PG because NTA and the Sarkar does not dive into such questions. However, for NLSAT and other law entrances, Pooja Khedkar, the controversial UPSC officer who was apparently allegedly misusing her powers, who was suspended as well, and her name is important. बाकी यहाँ पे आपने like for example in this news बाकी और as such कुछ भी नहीं करना है. मतलब कुछ ऐसा मत रट्टा मत मारेगा. When I say this again and again, do not mean like the probationary IAS officer in the eye of, ऐसे रट्टा वट्टा नहीं मारना, just detail याद रखनी है. All right. Now, who is the present CAG? Now this you forever you need to know. Girish Chandra Murmu, and he inaugurated the International Center for Audit of Local Governance, ICAL. Now this can be asked as to ICAL has been set up where? It's in Rajkot, and the full form is important, International Center for Audit of Local Governance, and another tiny miny detail is Girish Chandra Murmu. Alright. Now this you can ignore. मैंने यहाँ पे marking out करी हुई, but post reading it I don't think that I need to get into more details of this. Conquest Mongolia, इंडियन आर्मी जा रही है जी इस मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज में. लो प्रोबेबिलिटी बिकॉज आजकल ट्रेंड नहीं रह गया मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस के नाम पूछने के लिए, बट फिर भी पढ़ा होना चाहिए. देन कावड़ यात्रा रूट. नाउ दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड, सो वेयर वाज द सुप्रीम कोर्ट basically said no, it did not allow anyone, or rather did not allow the Sarkar to force anyone to disclose names. All right. So on the Kavod Yatra route, this was completely banned. This can be asked. This will be asked. This has to be asked, and most likely is going to pop up in the exam. Give me 1 second. I'll change the pen ka color. So this will be asked, and pen ka color has changed now finally. Moidams in Eastern Assam. This has made it to the UNESCO's World Heritage List, and in becoming the first cultural site from the Northeast to make it to the list. Now, this is extremely important. I want you to pause the lecture, go on Google on your mobile phone. Even if you don't pause it, still you can come back to it. Moidam जरा search out कर लो Eastern. तो just photo in the sense. Just एक बारी just ज़हन के अंदर से let the photo go through the senses which take cognizance of all events around you. Just that yaad reh jayega. All right. So this most likely is going to be popping up. Now WazirX is a platform जिस पे Bitcoin crypto के बहुत ज़्यादा चोरी हो गई थी. AILET NLU दिल्ली के पेपर में तो ये most likely पूछते ही, बट यहाँ पे फिर भी लो प्रोबेबिलिटी है. आई हैव स्टिल पॉइंटेड आउट फॉर NLSAT CUET में तो बहुत मुश्किल चांस है कि ऐसा कुछ पूछा जाए, बट NLSAT में पूछ सकते हैं. What is the name of the platform? And that's about it. So again, I warn you, you please do not. So the news item will contain such a detail. As of June 10, WazirX reported that its total holdings stood at 4203.88 crores. ऐसा कुछ please कोई रट्टा नहीं मारना. Just the name of the platform is more than sufficient. 2 Rashtrapati Bhavan halls have been renamed as Ganatantra Mandap and Ashok Mandap. Now this is extremely important, most likely going to be popping up in CUET PG. So now this is President Murmu has renamed 2 important halls at Rashtra, with Darbar Hall now to be called as Ganatantra Mandap, and which translates to Republic Hall, and Ashok Hall to be named as Ashok Mandap. Now this is extremely important. Mark it out. All right. Now we go here. Ms. Sitaraman presented her 7th straight budget and did not give us any discounts in income tax. So Nirmala Tai is at it still, and hopefully before the next election she does something. Surpassing the record of former Prime Minister Morarji Desai can be asked, but फिर भी low probability में कहूँगा आपको. अच्छा, अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये वाला जैसे करंट अफेयर जो हमने जो सप्लाई करा है, सीटी Korean distinguished economist former, and I have not highlighted anything. So earlier, back in 19, back in 20, 2019, 2020, they used to ask a lot of like if a notable personality had died, they used to ask like what was their profession or what were they known for exactly. Now the trend has faded away. I have still kept in the current affair in your notes. That means that you will still need to just read through it once. Do not make any special effort to rote learn this. All right. Now we come here, and this you can pretty much skip. A naval frigate, the INS Brahmaputra. Now this is extremely important. This was a fire broke out. The fire broke out, and this you have to remember, because this is an important name and it was majorly in the news. Now if you are preparing for any UPSC pre-style questions, then you need to dive into 10x the detail of each and every current affair. Thank God we are not attempting those examinations, and we are, well, any which way I'm teaching you to the exam that is tailor-made to the exam. So therefore I need not worry about other details. However, to provide context, as I'll keep on repeating myself, I have given you those details. Now, NEET के बारे में now 17 candidates have shared the top rank post the revised results. Earlier they were 67. Low probability, but still, since NEET was, they went berserk with NEET in the time frame of July. So therefore, I thought that we'll also just put it in. And now NLSAT, Manvi Madhu Kashya, first trans woman sub inspector. This is extremely important, this name. Mark it down. Now, of course, I can't assure you that they will ask this and it is 99% assured और ऐसा कुछ भी मैंने बोलने नहीं वाला हूँ. नोट कर लेते हैं, फिर ईश्वर की कृपा होगी, जैसे होगा देख लेते हैं कि क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता. And any which way, this is July, August, September, of course, the notes that we're discussing. And perhaps if I put this lecture on YouTube as one trial lecture from the online batch, then the main current affairs actually start from October, November, December, Jan, Feb, and March, presuming that the examinations take place in April or March. Even NLSAT took place last year in March, but last year was an election year, so let's presume that it takes place in the month of April, but can of course always take place in March. So we will time our current affairs accordingly. October, November, December are remarkably more important than these current affairs, but these are of no less importance. So they are slightly senior in level and this is slightly junior in level. However, ये सारे के सारे बहुत ज़्यादा important हैं. Alright. और जैसा कि हम अभी यहाँ पे देखेंगे sports का section and the important days and all of the other jazz that we are going to see, that I have already sent to you in your notes. तो कृपया करके cannot ignore anything that I am telling you specifically. That is why along with the notes I am giving you the lecture, ताकि कुछ छूट ना जाए, और you have to coordinate and cooperate with me by, और ये इतना, this is the most precise, most concise stuff. You doesn't get any less than this. I have tried to filter out the most important relevant current affairs for you. Now CUET loves to ask such questions. So India has imposed custom duty on solar glass imports and exempts equipment from cellular and module manufacturing. This solar glass import, this sort of a similar question was asked in 23. That's why I've sent, basically I've included this current affair news item. And this commentary, ये यहाँ पे जो नहीं दी जाती है, क्योंकि इसी के ऊपर हमने बातचीत करनी होती है. एंड लास्ट में एग्जाम से पहले आई विल मेक यू इन आवर लाइव सेशंस, आई विल मेक यू revise all of the most important current affairs. Don't you worry about that as well. Magji Laddu ya Magji Laddu from Odisha have received the GI tag. I do not know about the pronunciation. Alright, this is important. CUET PG के लिए this is very important. Now PM Shri scheme के लिए इन्होंने funding stop करी है because 3 opposition rule states have refused to implement it. Homework for you, PM Shri scheme का full form. They are there in this question is there in the NLSAT mocks as far as I remember. However, PM Shri scheme ka full form, just look it up on Google, so that just add it to your notes. Now, Finance Minister has has developed something called, or has I think announced that the government would develop the climate finance taxonomy. This becomes very very important. यूपीएससी में तो ये पक्का आएगा ही आएगा जब भी होगा वो एग्जाम. Climate finance taxonomy, now what is that? So classifies which parts of the economy may be marketed as sustainable investments. You just need to know that there is something called a climate finance taxonomy, and just need to note down the basic definition. No need to enter into way more details. However, why is a taxonomy significant and etc. I have pulled out all the relevant details and given to you in your notes. Anil Khandelwal has announced. Anil Khandelwal को नाम याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ दिक्कत नहीं है. This is not really important. Pamban Rail Bridge has been appearing in law entrances since 2019. तजुर्बे के 100 फायदे from teaching for so long कि याद रहता है चीजें. Now Pamban Islands in Rameshwaram. This is India's first vertical lift railway sea bridge. This has been popping up in law entrances for years. CLAT 2019, AILET 2019-20 all had, not 20 but 19, all had a mention of this. Now this is again in the news because it's about to be opened. That time it was announced. So this becomes very very important. This again for CUET PG extremely important. Uttarakhand has become the first state in the country to assign monetary value to 4 of its natural resources: air, water, forest and soil, termed as gross environment product, GEP. Both are important, so both details. Which state has become the first state in the country? Uttarakhand. Then these, what is the new term? This is, they are terming it as gross environment product, and they have assigned monetary value to 4 of their natural resources, that is air, water, forest and soil. इनकी पैसों में वैल्यू, वैसे तो प्रकृति की क्या ही वैल्यू लगाएंगे ये लोग, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, चलो प्रवचन नहीं शुरू करते हैं, तो उसका नाम इन्होंने ग्रॉस एनवायरनमेंट प्रोडक्ट रख दिया. ऑलराइट, नाउ दिस can pop up. New capital gains tax was there on real estate. Now what is capital gains tax? So earlier when you used to sell a property, let us say that you have sold a flat for 2 crores today, so they, and you bought it for 10 lakhs back in the day. अब 1 करोड़ 90 लाख पे टैक्स बन जाएगा, तो आपको तो बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे भरने पड़ जाएंगे. So the सरकार used to allow you to value not the flat not at 10 lakhs but to value it at somewhere around 1 crore or 120, adjusting all the inflation, the purchase price parity, etc. etc. Now they wanted to let go of that and, well, wanted more and more tax. So there was a huge outroar. So what, ये जो हमने जो 10 लाख को जो एडजस्ट करके एक 10 आपको कैलकुलेट करने गया, it was known as indexation, and you will get to know once you study about it, or once you enter into a property transaction to understand the tax implications better. There was a huge outrage for it, and well, you know, that's why this happened. And this is also important. सुनते हो, बैठो इधर आओ बात करें. तो कृपया करके ये वाले notes, they are just, you know, me acting like Deadpool and trying to break through the fourth wall with you, and trying to keep you motivated कि ऐसे डर के और हिम्मत हार के नहीं बैठ जाना. Now this again is going to be popping up in the CUET PG for sure, that is Arigat. Now Arigat is the second nuclear submarine, the first being, I think, Arihant. If I'm mistaken, then correct me, but Arigat is going to be popping up in one exam or the other, because this is a very very important current affair. This is the highest probability. To give context, you can read more about it. Now this most likely is going to pop up in the NLSAT as well. So the HEMA committee, now HEMA committee she investigated the Malayalam film industry में sexual harassment of women. This is extremely important. You just have to make a note of it. Most likely not going to be popping up in CUET PG, because NTA usually tends to remain away from the controversial stuff. Now RBI is introducing something called as ULI, Unified Lending Interface. This is extremely important for CUET PG. Alright, so Unified Lending Interface, इसके बारे में सिर्फ मतलब फुल फॉर्म याद रख लीजिएगा. रूमी 1, RHUMI 1. अब इस पे स्पेस का सेक्शन जो अलग है, सब स्पेस के बारे में, स्पेस वाले सेक्शन पे आएंगे. मैंने यहाँ पे भी जानबूझ के डाल दिया था because slightly more important, and it will repeat in the space वाला section as well. So first, reusable hybrid rocket. So this is known as Rumi 1. Make a note of it. All right. Now you go to SEBI. SEBI's chairperson was quite in the news, Madhabi Butch. And Butch, I do not know about the pronunciation, should be Butch, any which way. मधाबी जी, मधाबी पुरी जी, सेबी के चेयरमैन की जरा मतलब चेयरपर्सन जो वहाँ पे हिंडनबर्ग रिसर्च ने दे अलेज्ड हर इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन ऑब्सक्योर ऑफशोर फंड्स के बारे में बात करी थी एंड शी मेड क्वाइट द हेडलाइन सो देयरफॉर दिस फिगर इज इम्पोर्टेंट क्वाइट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर दिस ईयर. Now, UCC was referred to as secular civil code in PM Modi's speech from the Red Fort this year. Extremely important. अब इसका question क्या है? So, reframing the idea as a secular civil code. So, the UCC has been reframed into the idea of चार options, and that is the question. All right. इनफैक्ट मैंने सारे की सारी चीज़ें आपकी मतलब मार्क करके दी ही हुई हैं, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टॉक ओवर देम क्योंकि सुनने से जहन में याद रह जाता है. नाउ द सरकार की एक नई पॉलिसी है दैट इज बायो E3 पॉलिसी, और इसके अंदर बायो E3 पॉलिसी में बायोटेक्नोलॉजी फॉर इकोनॉमी, एनवायरनमेंट एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट पॉलिसी, राइट. इफ आई पुट दिस ऑन यूट्यूब एंड इफ समवन कमेंट्स कि ये फाइल दे दो या नोट्स दे दो, तो हम instantly we'll just hide the user, etc. This takes a lot of stuff, as in a lot of work rather, to research this out. So kindly मतलब YouTube पे तो नहीं बोलो भैया, हमारे चैनल पर आके बायोटेक्नोलॉजी फॉर इकोनॉमी, एनवायरनमेंट एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट, दिस इज एक्सट्रीमली important. Kindly make a note of it. All right. Now आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, जियो ने अपना इनोवेटिव स्वीट ऑफ AI टूल्स नोन एज जियो ब्रेन, रिलायंस वालों से हमारी सरकार को वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा बहुत प्यार ही है, या इनफैक्ट हमारा देश ही इन कंपनी 2-4 कंपनियों में ही के ऊपर ही आधारित है. तो जियो ब्रेन करके आप एक AI मार्क कर सकते हैं, द स्वीट बेसिकली दैट दे आर मेकिंग. एंड नाउ Union Cabinet so has continued 3 umbrella schemes of the Department of Science and Technology. Scheme called Vigyan Dhara. This it becomes extremely important. Make a note of it. Then you have your new blue revolution. नई government scheme is प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना. Now this again, what all that they can ask, they can give you this and ask the full form, or they can ask you what exactly is, which sector does it relate to, or वैसे मत्स्य means fish, by the way, this is fisheries sector. That's all. कोई ये this नहीं करना है, बस पढ़ना है एक बारी, that's about it, to give it context. Now this most likely is going to be popping up in the CUET-PG as what is the name of Port Blair? Port Blair has been renamed to what? So this is Shri Vijayapuram. Extremely important. Kindly make a note of it. All right. And new districts in Ladakh. So there are 5. This number can also be asked as to how many new districts. 5. Azanskar, Dras, Sham, Nubra, and Changtang. Sounds like a restaurant, but any which way. Would be created in the Union Territory of Ladakh for bolstering governance. So 5 new districts. 5 is the MCQ, and the name of these districts. So basically they can ask which of the following is not a new district in Ladakh. So if I want to make the current affair question really tough, I'm going to be putting this in the mocks. So revise and then only take the mocks. Now India's second nuclear submarine. So the first one I've written down as Arihant, but I still just correct me if I'm not if I'm mistaken. The submarine now will be commissioned. All right. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has completed 10 years now. So PMJDY. Now again, this was in the news, so therefore I've included it in your notes. Now this is paramount in boosting financial inclusion, giving dignity to crores of people, especially women, youth, and the marginalized community. So they can ask, what is this scheme about? The Jan Dhan Yojana. All right. And then we, acha ruk jana nahi, that's just a small slight joke for you. Mission Mausam. Now Mission Mausam is This is a new scheme, extremely important. CUET PG वाले take note. MHCET PU most likely ये जितना भी मैंने आपको जो काम करा है most likely going to be popping up. This is to upgrade infrastructure used to make atmospheric observations. Extremely important. Make a note of it. All right. Now, there was a scheme which was known as the PM Swanidhi scheme, known as PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi. So, this was to help street vendors with loans for restarting their work after the pandemic. Kabhi PM Swanidhi is a popular scheme that you have to keep in mind, basically. Agni 4 is low probability. Agni के तो test होते ही रहते हैं. This can pop up in NLSAT. I don't see it popping up in any other entrance. This is PressWoo. PressWoo करके नाम करके the country's first eye drops that they were banned after that. They were helping the people basically to I think to read without glasses just by eye drops. People found it very objectionable कि ये ऐसे एकदम से drop से ऐसे कैसे करा देंगे. So it was eventually banned. Now this most likely is going to be popping up. This is West Bengal ki Aparajita bill. Compare them with those Andhra Pradesh ki Disha and Maharashtra ki Shakti. They can ask which state, and these are basically the bills relate to protection of women. Newer laws, more stringent ones, especially given what is happening in our country or what keeps on happening, and it happens pretty much everywhere. Like RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, the barbaric act that was enacted basically against the doctor, and it's just here I don't have words. Any which way. Now, very low probability, but Ford is trying to get manufacturing started at the Chennai plant. Nothing much more. No need to go for like again 3 years after exiting Tamil Nadu. कुछ भी नहीं करना, right? Ayushman Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. This is ABPMJ. They have decided to expand the health cover to all Indians above 70 years. So they can ask in this way कि ये एक तो 70 years become the question, and ये medical insurance की scheme कौन सी है सरकार की, that is the question. Alright, तो ये आप काम कर सकते हैं. एज इन मार्क आउट करिए. ये NLSAT में सीताराम येचुरी का जी का जिनका स्वर्गवास हो गया है, उनको वैसे वो स्वर्ग में मानते नहीं होंगे क्योंकि मार्क्सिस्ट टाइप आदमी थे. कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया CPIM के लीडर सीताराम येचुरी इज नाउ गॉन एंड most likely popping up in the NLSAT. Most very important, and in fact can pop up in the CUET PG also. This web link can pop up in CUET PG especially because they have a dedicated computer wala section. The web portal shabd.education.gov.in. Now this is extremely important. Kindly make a note of it. Alright. And just read the associated note with it. Another scheme is Anusandhan National Research Foundation. Now this has been set up, established under the ANRF Act 2023. So this is a statutory body, right? And this will bolster up our research. Just that the body का नाम यहाँ पे एक बार याद रखना है. The Tirupati Laddu, जो प्रसाद में जो controversy हुई थी of using I think beef-based oils or something like that. So this was a news. This is GI tagged. Again GI पढ़ चुके हैं हम legal awareness वगैरह वाले section के अंदर. तो तिरुपति लड्डू needs to be referred to, जिसमें controversy काफी ज़्यादा हो गई थी. Now one nation, one election has been approved, right? And what does that mean? So elections to Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies are held simultaneously. We'll basically try to do it. Of course, we have also done it in the past. And the person who was heading the panel for One Nation, One Election is ex-president President रामनाथ कोविंद. ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नाम है इस पैनल के हेड का, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, कृपया करके इसको लिखिए. फर्स्ट वंदे मेट्रो is between Bhuj and Ahmedabad. Extremely important from the point of view of NTA based examinations. Then you have Bharat Startup Knowledge Access Registry, भास्कर का फुल फॉर्म इन्होंने इतना बहुत सारी नई स्कीम आई हैं सरकार की, तो दे आर ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर नेशनलाइज्ड एग्जाम MHCT PU CUET. I do not see this popping up in NLSAT. All right. Now this most likely is going to be popping up in the NLSAT if they give a related passage. So they do not ask random questions just out of thin air. If the passage is related, so for example, the passage is related to women or something. Squadron leader Mohana Singh has made history by becoming the first woman fighter pilot to fly the Tejas. So now this is extremely important. And this was during the recent Tarang Shakti military exercise in Jodhpur. ये भी डिटेल इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसीलिए मैंने आपको अंडरलाइन करके दी हुई है. कृपया करके इसको मार्क आउट और कर लीजिए. Then you have the government has approved, well, to continue the PM Asha scheme to provide better prices to farmers, etc. लो प्रोबेबिलिटी, लेकिन पीएम आशा स्कीम का फुल फॉर्म फिर भी प्रधानमंत्री अन्नदाता आय संरक्षण अभियान. कृपया करके इसको नोट डाउन करिए. फर्स्ट वुमन टू बिकम द सीएम, विमेन लिखा हुआ है बट शुड हैव बीन वुमन. द फर्स्ट वुमन टू हैव बिकम सीएम इन इंडिया वाज सुचिता कृपलानी. नाउ वी हैव हैड 16 women CM because Atishi ji has become the CM of Delhi. Prior to her, we have had Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit as CMs, right? And Janaki Ramachandran held the post of CM as a female for the shortest time. And first Dalit woman to hold the post was Mayawati. And Sayyida Anwara Taimur was the first Muslim woman. NLSAT के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important न्यूज़ है, इसको कृपया करके मार्क आउट करिए. एंड अतिशी जी इज द 17th CM of Delhi overall. Now PM Modi has developed or launched 3 Param Rudra supercomputers. So this is important, but I don't see any question popping up as such, because they can ask is this is under which mission, that is in the National Supercomputing Mission and नाम Param Rudra supercomputers. एक और सरकार की नई स्कीम इज द पीएम इलेक्ट्रिक ड्राइव रेवोल्यूशन इन इनोवेटिव व्हीकल एनहांसमेंट, दैट इज द पीएम ई ड्राइव स्कीम. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ आरजीएनयूएल के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हुई थी, तो एनएलसैट में आ सकता है, सीयूटी वगैरह में तो बिल्कुल नहीं आने वाला. And this is wherein that entire I think the VC broke in or something, entered the girls' hostel without prior notice and then made some remarks which which basically resulted in a lot of chaos at the campus. And Atishi ji has become the CM of Delhi. That's okay. This is, you can ignore. India Sri Lanka joint military exercise का नाम है मित्र शक्ति. स्लाइटली इंपॉर्टेंट है बट कैन इग्नोर, क्योंकि मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज पे आते नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी पढ़ा होना चाहिए, ताकि क्योंकि अगर वहाँ पे आ गया और अगर बिल्कुल ही सुना ना हो तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी. सो दैट वाइंड्स इट अप फॉर द नेशनल सेक्शन विच वाज वन ऑफ द लेंथीएस्ट वंस. नाउ in the next lecture in the course that I will upload is we will be going for international and then we'll be going for appointments, etc. Appointments बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Like appointments, I'll just give you a sampler of appointments, क्योंकि appointments में से भाई बहुत question आते हैं. And Jay Shah now, as in ये आपके Jay Shah भैया जी ICC के chairman बन गए and all this jazz. Now Gautam Gambhir is the new Indian cricket team coach. Vinay Mohan Kawatra, सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है, but we'll still make a commentary on it via the lecture and then basically go for it. ठीक है जी. Now see you in the further lectures. Today is Saturday. I will be uploading it on Monday. Monday दोपहर तक आपके पास ये वाले लेक्चर आ जाना चाहिए. बाई चांस मंडे को डिले हुआ तो ट्यूसडे को आ जाएगा, बट मैक्स टू मैक्स ट्यूसडे तक आ जाएगा. सो जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर वगैरह वाला सारा काम हो जाएगा. अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर के जैसे ही नोट्स तैयार हो जाएंगे, जनवरी में फिर इन 3 महीनों के यहाँ पे ऐसी ही बात हो जाएगी. एंड वील जस्ट मार्क आउट एंड ये आपकी जो प्रैक्टिस है वाया मॉक्स एक्सेट्रा सारी की सारी कर लेंगे. और एग्जाम से पहले जब लाइव सेशंस करेंगे, जो एग्जाम के पहले वाले जो लाइव सेशंस हैं उसके अंदर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स तो हमने करना ही है. एंड आई बिलीव we'll be very thoroughly prepared for current affairs. If you were to believe me that do you need to refer to some other additional resources from current affairs, no, I take a lot of pain in crafting this, and I refer to a huge number of resources and then use all my experience to filter out everything that is required. So you can trust that this should be able to do the job. However, in the exam this will cover out 7 to 8 current affair questions out of 10. The rest to कोई भी नहीं बता सकता कि कहाँ से आते हैं, but we'll be prepared to the best level that we can be. All right, wishing you folks all the very best. Now I see you in the next lecture.